how to create eToro account. So if you want to create an eToro account, it is actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all you want to make sure to launch the eToro application right here, and you will basically see this type of interface as you'd be able to find it. Now once you're here on this, what you want to do is here you can see the continue. Now if you already have an account, by the way, you can see the sign in button from the very bottom, but if you don't have an account, then you can just tap on the get started button that you can see here. Then all you have to do here is, now there are many ways to sign up, right? You can sign up with Google, you can sign up with Facebook, or you can also sign up with your email address. So just depending upon whatever is much more comfortable for you, just enter your email address, tap the continue option, verify the email, set up a password, and follow the other on-screen instructions, and your eToro account will be successfully created. That's all it takes for you to create eToro account. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any further questions, queries, or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.